Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right here and then press the bell notification, like the video as well and share the video with your trading friends. So subscribe, like and share and press the bell notification. Now whether you are new or old, if you're watching my videos, then below the videos you will also find these links which I want to talk about once and for all. Now, first link says join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals every now and then go and join Telegram, okay? Second link says check out best prop firm and Forex brokers. So you can join these brokers and start your trading journey, especially if you want to trade with my signals, then make sure you have a separate account with these brokers, separate accounts so that we can get the accurate data that how many trades did you win or lose using my signals in that separate account. So go and join the brokers using my link also to support this channel, okay? Because I am doing everything for free. When you go and watch my videos, I give you entry signals at which candle to enter and when to exit, okay? So if you are making money with my videos, I'm not charging you any single thing, and you need to show that why should I carry on doing that, okay? I don't need your money, but you need to show me that why should I carry on doing this for free. I'm not getting anything from you, okay? So go and join brokers using my link. And then there is one more link which I have introduced. Just below that, it says pay fees from analysis, okay? So normally on the internet, people will do these analysis either, in just 2 minutes. They will say, okay, the trend is up, look for longs after pullback, or trend is down, look for shorts after each pullback, okay? I am not doing that because if I do that, that's like, you're stupid, okay? This is something everybody knows. Everybody knows, okay, trend is up, so we need to look for longs. Trend is down, we need to look for. Everybody knows that who's into trading, okay? So I have to, why will you watch my videos? Because I'm not just the some random or the other guy on YouTube, okay? I'm not some other guy on YouTube. I'm something which nobody else is, okay? So whatever I'm giving to you for free is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. You will get to know about this after watching the video till the end, my analysis, okay? And you can watch my previous videos too. So if you think my analysis is worth something or you have made money using my videos, you can go to this link which says pay fees for my analysis and pay whatever you feel like. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy my $1,000 course or $2,000 course. That's what normally people get you into, okay? So there is a condition with every trader who's making YouTube videos that join my this program, join my that program, and they're not wrong. They're not wrong. They're doing the right thing, charging you thousands of dollars. Only I'm an idiot here for now doing everything for free, okay? So either we work as a team or I don't work at all, right? So I don't need analysis for myself because I can do it myself, okay? So if you are watching my video, it's your responsibility to contribute in whatever form you can, and especially go and join these brokers because that is free and then you can start your trading. And if you want to contribute towards the fees, you can you can pay whatever you like using the link. And then there's one more interesting thing. If you click on these three dots, if you open my video on your laptop, then click on three dots and you will see this thing called super fangs, okay? So this super fangs which you might be interested in to get your questions answered, okay? So for example, in this live chat, I don't have a live streaming going on my channel as of now. Normally people ask what do you call super chat in live, but in recorded videos you can do super thanks and get your questions answered later on by me, okay? So I thought you should know this. So this is a very cool feature from YouTube that you can click on these three dots and then click on thanks, and then you can increase or decrease your amount. This is a paid feature from YouTube, okay? So if you want to type in a message, you can click here and remove your remove that thanks, and type in your comment. If you want to ask anything and get the answer from me, you can type your question or comment or feedback, whatever you want to say, and there will be an amount. You can increase that amount or decrease that amount depending on your currency, and you can click on buy and send, and your question will be below my YouTube video, and then I can reply to your comments, okay? I thought I should share this option with those people who want to get their questions or comments answered, because understand, people as in people who make YouTube videos like me might not answer every comment which is below their video, especially free comments. Nobody has time, okay? So if you want your question, a comment to be seen and answered, go to the three dots, click on Superfines, type in your question or comment or feedback, and then select your amount and then click on buy and send. I just wanted to share this feature with you, okay? So I think that's all I have to share with you. Subscribe, like, and now let's start the analysis. All right, USDCAD. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the downtrend. So these are the lagging indicators. Lagging indicators means that they don't give you the real time uh, status or the real time data. Okay. So in weekly, you could see we are below the EMI. So it's downtrend. No, it's not actually, because you have to be analytic in this case and see this previous red candle in weekly was never broken. Okay, so this low never broken, this previous low, and the last week we went down, and then sellers came into the market in last 2 days and then pushed the price up. Okay, so it's a clear confirmation that we are in the trend reversal and we are continuing the uptrend. Okay, so if you come back to weekly time frame after a month, it might show in uptrends, but by that time it will be too late and you would have lost 500 pips. Okay, lost as in you will miss the move of 500 pips if you come back after 1 month in weekly time frame. Okay, this is how you analyze exactly before it is officially using the EMAs are lagging indicators. But anyways, you can see here the long wick, the hammer. So this week is going to be blue for USDCAD. Blue means longs. Now here, this is the daily chart, and now daily we have not broken the previous low. So it's double, what do you call, double bottom, okay? Use your line here, and if you place your line right here, you can see. So this previous low did not break this previous low, which means it was a double kind of bottom. And now we have the rejection from the EMA as well. So we have to see, because in daily chart, this high is broken. So new high is created, pullback, and we should go up. But our entry in 4 hour looks like we are going for pullback. Okay. So trend is up. I would say look for longs after the pullback. This is your uptrend, my friend. This is your uptrend. Pullback will happen most probably until 61%. So price might come down below the EMI, then blue candle, then we go up again. So the trend seems like to me is long. The uptrend is starting, but entry will be after the pullback when the confirmation blue candle comes. Okay, this is your uptrend in 4 hour. Pullback will happen, blue candle, then you enter long. And again, coming back to Delhi here, the signs are clear, because you see, if you go and watch analysis of GBP on my channel, GBP USD, GBP is in the downtrend. So when GBP is in the downtrend, that means US dollar is going up. So if US dollar is going up, that means Canadian is going to go down. So USD CAD by default will go up. If GBP is going down or GBP USD is going down, that means USD CAD will go up. You have to correlate all the pairs all together sometimes. Okay, it's quite situational. Situation is quite simple. Look for longs, I would say, and entry will be in your 4 hour after the pullback, and you know the rest of the game. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like whatever we discussed in the beginning. So just go ahead and do it, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.